So y'all see the thumbnail, y'all know what we got going on today. I'm wrestling a little bit because we got a lot of stuff going on, all right? But we finna go pick up the Trackhawk, you know what I'm saying? This is me officially taking delivery of my Trackhawk in its craziest form, all right? So right now we finna hop in the jailbreak. I got a 2023 jailbreak for those of you all that are new. But we finna hop in the jailbreak and head over to get the Trackhawk. It's a crazy color. Let's go. It's 2021. I just got it not too long ago, so y'all make sure y'all check out that vlog too if y'all haven't checked that out already. You know, man, it's my 2023, it's my jailbreak. Supercharged charger, red eye, 807. We got like 400 miles of this thing, so today is gonna be the official break-in. Actually, gonna get broke in finally, so we finna hop in, man. We finna head out, man. Let's do it. Alright, YouTube, so we just pulled up. And bro, the car is outside. I know y'all see. Hold on, wait, I ain't gonna show y'all yet. Hold y'all boys down, man. Hold y'all boys down, man. Yo, alright, so they got the Huracan parked outside and they got the Hawk, man. I'm trying to get y'all focused a little bit so y'all can see it a little bit better. Oh. Alright, so y'all see what's going on. Basically, we did a mismatch, man. So we got green and pink. And of course, as y'all see, this one's gonna be pink and green. But yeah, man, this is the Hawk, man. I'm actually finna go inside. But yeah, man, they got the Lambo parked outside. They got, you know what I'm saying? Oh, this is crazy. I need a picture of this. And they got more Lambos in here. Sheesh. Alright, YouTube, so picking up the Trackhawk, y'all see what's going on, man. So that's what we was doing. Like I told y'all, we was doing a mismatch, okay? So y'all see right here, you know, so we got green and pink. So this one, you know, we did pink and green. But yeah, we did the Hawk in like a matte gray. Like a matte gray with a crazy sparkle. I like how he went over the handle and stuff. We tinted the lights. Basically everything I told y'all, man. We tinted lights, lock in the lights. We tinted down here, those markers. Y'all see we got the iron green to match the charger. Yeah, man. Oh, and then we, like I said, we went over the handles. That looked crazy. The calipers, that's what we got to do next, y'all. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned, man, so y'all can see the actual finished product. But those are going to be green, of course. And then we got the red eye hood on. Y'all see, we got the red eye hood. And we got the lip done. That looks crazy. All this. We went with 2 snorkels in pink to match the rest of the car. It's glossy as hell. I think he wrapped this over too. Oh, and this too. Oh, that's tough. That's tough as hell. That shit looks sick. That's why the front looks so sick. That's right. Black on the roof. Yeah, man. Y'all look at that shit. That shit look crazy. Ain't gonna hold you. Ain't gonna hold you. Boy, you gotta get that angle. Let me see that shit. Show them boy that angle. Look at that shit. You know what I'm saying? Sheesh. But yeah, it's a lot of black and pink gloss pink. Gloss pink. You got pink right here. And like I said, the gray all up in here is the reason why we hit the Hawk in gray. You feel me? Because it's matching all the other accents. So yeah, that shit is crazy as hell. That shit is crazy. That shit is crazy. Sheesh. Sheesh. Alright, y'all, so y'all see what we got going on, man. Yo, this shit crazy, bro. It's a bubblegum Trackhawk, man. That's what we gonna call it. Cotton candy, motherfucker. Yeah. That shit crazy. This shit gonna definitely be crazy. Once the calipers are green, bro, this shit gonna be different. Y'all hear how loud that bitch is, man. Yeah, that shit crazy. I fuck with it. I ain't gonna hold y'all. I fuck with it, bro. It's a little crazy. It's a little outlandish, but that's what I was trying to do, man. I was trying to go crazy with it, so that's what we did. It's a crazy combo now. Yeah, I feel like that's pretty hard, bro. What y'all think about the Hawk, man? Y'all fucking with the Hawk? Y'all fucking with the chicken on the side? Or what y'all think? Y'all think it should have been bigger, smaller, not on the car? What y'all think about it, man? But, I was trying to add, because that's what makes it what it is, Cosmo and Wanda. You feel me? So, yeah, that's what we got going on. Like I said, these is going to get colored green, and then the car damn near be complete. You feel me? But yeah, man. Y'all see that shit, man? Oh, damn. I was finna say take off, but it can't really take off for people right there. In some angles, it look red, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. In some angles, it look red. Yeah. That shit look mean, bro. Alright, YouTube, so this is it, man. This is the official delivery of my pink Trackhawk. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, we got wheels in the back, man. That's going to be for another day. You know what I'm saying? We ain't going to show y'all too much, but we do have wheels in the back. And, of course, y'all know we got to do the calipers. But, yeah, man, y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments, man. Go ahead and drop it in the comments. What y'all rate the Trackhawk? 1 through 10. You know what I'm saying? Tell me what y'all think I should do. It's like a crazy color. What y'all think I should do to the car? Any changes y'all think I should make? Anything y'all think I should add to the car? I don't know. Like I said, I know we're doing lights. I do want to light up here. I also got vents. I went ahead and bought vents. Also got, what else I got? Like I said, wheels. We're going to add some more lighting on the inside. And we're going to put a nice, crazy-ass steering wheel on the inside. But yeah, man, I feel like as far as cosmetics and looks wise, I feel like that's really it. I do feel like we need the intake as well when it comes down to the performance of the car. But other than that, I mean, I think that's it, man. Y'all boys, if y'all new, make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe to the channel, man. Go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. You know what I'm saying? Smash that like button. Punch it in the face, man. I'm finna put some gas in this shit though, man. Let's do it. Alright, y'all, so what I think we finna do now, man, we finna go to like Chick-fil-A or something. I just want to see what people's reactions is, and I want to ask folks what they think. I do got the wheels in the back. Y'all see them back there. You know what I'm saying? But I don't want to really show y'all. I don't want to ruin it for y'all. I mean, if y'all zoom in, you know what I'm saying, you can kind of see what we got going on. But yeah, that's going to be a whole nother vlog, a whole nother day. But it's going to be crazy. Yeah, let's do it. All right, so what are you rating?
I rated it 10 out of 10.
Why?
Because pink, that's my favorite color.
For sure, yeah.
So you say you rated a 9?
I rated a 9.
Hey, what you rate the car, bro?
You said what?
What you rate the car? 1 through 10.
Yeah, this is 10. How much y'all pushing?
Shit, 700.
700?
Yeah.
Yeah, this shit hard.
Shit hard?
Yeah. Nah, for real.
Yes, pink.
What you say the rate was?
10.
10?
10 out of 10.
For sure.
For sure.
I'll give it a 9.
A 9? For sure. What you rated, bro? A 9 as well? So what y'all like about it, besides the color? The engine and the hawk? Yeah. That motherfucker too for you.
What would make it a 10?
Yeah, on God, like what make it a 10 though?
What do we need?
Like we need that extra point.
Add more detail? Bro, we got stars in the roof, bro.
Oh God, yeah, we got stars in the roof. 10?
10?
Oh, yeah.
Bro, the Hawk had a mind boggle, bro. This man left the sticker on top of the car, bro.
I'm finna take that shit off.
He left the shit. How do y'all rate the car, man? Yeah, we got a Starlight, bro. What? Nah, Camaro nasty, bro. I mean, Trans Am, yeah.
But nah, this shit.
For real. Bro, how old are you, bro?
17.
Yeah.
How much is running? How much horsepower?
707.
707?
Yeah, it's stock
Shit,
Trackhawk.
I got an F-150 that's gonna be running around 900 horsepower.
For real? Yeah, for sure.
That shit's fucking quick.
Appreciate
Especially
it.
that pink.
Yeah, the pink is crazy, right?
Everyone think that pink's not hard, but I fuck with the pink.
Yeah, the pink alright.
Shit goes.
Okay. You
What
see
guns
it?
you got?
Huh?
What guns?
Oh, black.
Black? Oh,
Yeah, black with starlights.
Yeah.
A 10? What makes it a 10? The pink? Fuck with it? Okay.
Yeah.
And the bird, yeah, you like the hawk, huh? Hell yeah, for sure, bro. What you rate the car?
Maybe right here a bit. Tough as hell, I'll get it a bit. 9.2.
9.2? What I need for the extra point?
Extra point, you know what I'm saying? Alright.
Some new wheel?
I don't even know what it is to V6.
No. Bro, what? It's Trackhawk. Hit the gas.
Come on. That bitch, I need to try this.
Tough as hell, hold on.
Oh, that ain't ours, twin, but
yeah.
I'll take it, though.
Yeah,
I'll take that motherfucker for sure.
Oh, shit. Let's go.
Throw that motherfucker.
What
Huh?
you at?
Just that.
That?
Yeah, just that. Yeah, just that.
What you think?
Ooh, I'm tripping. I'm in the fucking, What y'all rate the car?
Maybe a 9.5.
9.5? Sure.
What would you rate this car 1 through 10?
1 through 10?
Yeah.
I mean, I like pink, so probably like an 8.
The 8?
Yeah.
Damn, what we need for a 10?
For it to not be an American car. I don't like American cars.
You like foreigns and shit. But if you had to choose an American car, what would it be?
If I had to choose an American
Yeah,
car,
like-
it would probably be a Dodge.
A Dodge? For sure. What kind? Like a cat or a track or what?
I'll probably choose a cat.
A cat? Okay. For sure. Y'all, we got the McCleasy at the light. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, we've been getting reactions. People are clearly fucking with the Trackhawk. You feel what I'm saying? So, yeah. I don't know, man. We've been getting A's from everywhere. So, like I said, y'all drop in the comments what y'all think about it. But yeah, man, everybody been fucking with it, man. It's the love bus, man. You know what I'm saying? The Pink Hawk, man.
What's going on, big bro?
This shit is fucking dope.
How you like it?
Hell yeah.
What you rate it on a scale of 1 to 10? What you rate on a scale of 1 through 10?
That?
10 for me.
10 out of 10?
Aesthetics?
10.
Aesthetics or the exhaust and shit?
Yeah, exhaust and shit. Yeah.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. And we got stars on the roof. Yeah.
Go 9.5.
9.5?
Yeah.
For sure. Appreciate it, big bro. Yeah, they fuck with this. What you rate this?
10 on 10.
10 out of 10?
10 on 10.
For sure. Fuck with it. Fuck with it.
No cap.
Hey, you can fuck with me on some free food?
Huh?
You can fuck with me on some free food?
Hell no.
What you want, a junior bacon cheeseburger?
Huh?
Your car nice?
You gotta rate it though.
What's the rating on the 1 through 10?
Of your car?
Yeah.
I can get 10. That shit.
10? What you get it?
A 10.
A 10?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, it's the pink.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
And the blue. Great calipers. That shit.
Not you know about the calibers and shit.
I know my shit.
Okay. What you rate this shit?
Shit. I ain't gonna get that big box solid 9-10. I ain't gonna catch you down.
For sure, for sure.
Hard,
Why I can't get a 10 though? I need that extra point.
Shit. Let me see how I hit that bit right quick.
YouTube, so we are ending this vlog. Y'all see the new color. This is it, you know what I'm saying? It went big bubblegum pink on the Hawk, man. We still got the Z right here. It's black and pink. So even these two look crazy, and then with the cat being green and pink, it's just, this shit is crazy, bro. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Pink headlights. Man, we got so many good things coming, man, to the channel.